Hi, I am Arvind from Chartview. Now we are going to discuss the post-market analysis for 26th May today, the expiry, monthly expiry. So our quotation was the whether it will be a bullish expiry or bearish expiry, and definitely it ended in a bullish expiry. So as per our calculations from option chain, we had discussed yesterday that in Bank Nifty, the straddle was found at 34,500. So 34,655 will play a lead role, and also the level that is 34,500. In Bank Nifty case, it was a very decision making levels today. So you see the opening was around 34689, and so you can say the opening straddle was 34700. Okay, so if you draw a line near 34700, so you can see that this there is a resistance initially from the strike value, and there was a selling, and to which extent the selling was there in Bank Nifty. It was going below 34,500 around 11 hours, but gradually at around 11:55 it started rising. The reason is that the rising happened due to only the HDFC duo's contribution to the Bank Nifty. You can see here HDFC has raised around 50 points and HDFC Bank around 37.9 points. So they to both are around 2.5% gain. They have given gain to the Bank Nifty today. So that was the major reason that due to rise in banking stocks and metal stocks also today, they contributed to the gain in the market. Now from this point somebody might have also sorted seeing this candle. These are all 5 minute candle, but again they should exited over here, they should have, otherwise they might have got very loss today. I heard also caution that today is going to expiry, it will be much more volatile today. So you can observe from the chart, as there is going to be shuffled over any strike price. That was the main straddle strike price. 34,500 was the first straddle. So definitely it will rise to 34,65 immediately. Within 10-15 minutes it rised. And even broke the OIS, that is the opening strike, that was 34,700, and tried to reach its resistance. 34,700 resistance you can check in the site. That was 34,769. It touched also, and there was a resistance from 34,900, you can say, but again it got a support over us. Every time I have told that 34,500 is the main straddle, means it's a round figure 500 or 00 level. So you have to add up 200 points, so 34,700. So you see in 34,700 there was a support, again there was buying from this level to 35,000 level. And normally in a layman's this view resistance support visualizations, I have observed, or you can also observe that if it is a support over 34,500 and there is a impulse in the market or momentum in the market, definitely it will try to touch the next round figure 34,500 plus 500, that is 35,500 resistance. So it happened today, and it became a very bullish pattern today. And in Bank Nifty, the Bank Nifty also had a bullish closing today with gain of 755 points. So it ended here in 35094. So what happened in along with the Nifty, you can check it here. In Nifty, the same pattern formed. Also, there's a lot of stocks, banking stocks are there in the Nifty. So HDFC it was buying contributed to Nifty also, along with metal and power stocks rise. But in Nifty, it was a bearish sentiment till the first half. Actually, you can observe from 16,000 resistance itself, there is a selling. in the market means 16108 point, exactly around from that point there is a selling. If it is selling definitely from R2 points, then it will try to touch. If it is a momentum is very high, then it will try to definitely touch the 16,000 support line, that was 15,9 to 9, and it touched also these lines, but it tried to get support over here. So the next point is that it may move to PS also, because should be a resistance point, but today due to the heavy buying in SDFC, it tried to broke that line 16037. So it was intense buying after 12:30, and also Nifty ended in bullish pattern, that 16107 with a gain of 144 points in the market. So this is the market today. So it is so volatile from at the first half. Some might have it will be a very bearish actually closing. Some might have assumed, but after 12:30 buying, it proved that it is a bullish market today again with a bullish expiry. So you have to be very cautious in the expiry day of the month, and it signifies some rollover also to the next series, so the June. And thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe our videos for more updates on daily basis, and please rely on these resistance and support. These are purely calculated by our algos with option chain and some statistical QC modeling, and it is pure maths. It is no an indicator. You can say it is a leading indicator, and you can rely it on. If you try to see the resistance support videos for some days, you can get some idea about this beauty of this resistance support, how they are working perfectly. So thanks for watching, and please share again and subscribe to our videos. Thank you once again. Have a nice day.